Hi guys, in this video I will show how to make some logging with Squid. Actually, it's a basic function from Squid to storing log to MySQL database. So as you can see, actually Squid has some helper. One of them is log DB daemon helper, and this helper can store your log. To MySQL database. This is the simple flow for storing my log to MySQL database. So in this case, I have set up one server using CentOS 7 and one server using Windows with MySQL in that server. So I will store my log for Squid in that server with credential. First, the host is 192.168.1.27 and port is default, and the database is Squid, user is Squid2, and the password is Squid. Okay, so the first that you must do for storing log in MySQL is using log DB daemon helper in Squid. When you first install Squid, this helper already deployed in your server. If you are using CentOS, it will located in user lib 64 Squid, right there, with name is log DB daemon. So that's the file. The first thing you must do is check whether the file is executable and whether the configuration is right. So you must do is check the file, by execute it and see what kind of command it needs. Okay, so you can see that it must have database host, database name, table parameter, and etc. Actually, the configuration must be declared or defined in squid.conf, but you can try it in console by typing the host slash database slash table slash squid slash username and slash password, like that. The interesting things when you are executing the log DB daemon, if the table is an access, which is in this case access log is an access, it will create it. So after this, you just need to execute it, and you can see that okay, there is no error here. So cannot connect to database. What happened here? Let's see telnet. Okay, the database is running, but it can't connect to database. Let's see what is the IP address. Okay, let's try again. It's Squid, access log, Squid. Okay, let's see with another username and password. Okay, the connection is created. and you can see that the access lock isn't exist yet, but after the first execute the script, the access lock database will be created, so you won't see the error log like that again. After that, if you are guaranteed that the connection has no problem, let's configure the Squid configuration by editing Squid configuration in /etc/squid/squid.conf, and you can see you just need to define 2 lines in the configuration. The first is log file underscore daemon, which determine which file you want to use for daemon, and then access log space daemon. Daemon is module that you want to use, and this daemon will use file that you define earlier in the log file daemon parameter, and then specify the parameter like host, database, table, username, and password. After that, restart your script. Okay, I run my script on port 3128. So let's see in the database, you can see that there is empty table with name access log, and then I will use my proxy, and let's see whether the log stored in the database. Okay, using the proxy that I have set up before, and you can see here while opening my block, the log will be stored in the MySQL database. You can see here in the access log table, you will have time response, IP of client, IP of server, and HTTP status code, the reply, the method, the URL, and the username if you are using authentication module, the MIME, the request, whether the case is miss or hit or etc. So that's all how to storing your log, Squid log to MySQL database. See you in the another tutorial.